Some good ways to prevent negative entity attachment is to help to lift your vibration. And you do this by being in nature every day, grounding yourself, surrounding yourself with more positive people, cutting negative people out of your life, taking addictive behaviors out of your life, whether it be drinking, drugs, gambling, pornography. All of those help lower your vibration and are food for these negative entities. So cutting those out. Meditation, being in your heart center, is the most powerful tool we could ever use. You don't necessarily have to meditate to get into your heart center. Go with intention and drop your mind into your heart and just connect with the Creator Source. For 5 minutes, intend that those thoughts, whatever they be, notice them, stop them, sink your mind into your heart, and call in the Creator to help you clear these negative thought patterns, these negative entities out from your perimeter. I hope this helps.